All right.
Trying to be very careful with what I said. Typical. No definitive.
Today is June 9th, 2021. We're doing our 2-box Prizm Football Mega Break number 2. Got our dice up on screen. For both of our randoms, I'm pulling up our list of names. 2 teams per spot, so the list runs down to 16 at Michael G. So we got Cheryl K, Nicholas K, Russell S, Edward K, Jeremy S Z, Paul O, Matthew S, Michael G, Jacob C, Connor S, Tina M 2, Michael P 2, Tina M, and Michael G. Then we got Cheryl K, Nicholas K, Russell S, Edward K, Jeremy S Z, Paul O, Matthew S, Michael G, Jacob C, Connor S, Tina M 2, Michael P 2, Tina M, and Michael G. Go back. Cardinals down to the football team. So everybody's names are still there. It's still the same list. Cheryl K down to Michael G. Just clicked the wrong button. Had to retrace that step. But what's going on, Cheryl? Carl, you're probably right. All right, we're going to roll our dice. We only reroll snake eyes. Good luck, everybody. 3 and a 1. 4 times. Start with names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4th, and final. Got Jeremy S.Z. down to Connor S. 4 times. Jeremy S.Z. down to Connor S. Now on to teams. Cardinals down to the football team. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cowboys down to the Packers. 4 times on the list. Cowboys down to the Packers. Alright, so I'm going to get everybody's teams together. Drop any trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we will switch those up before we get started. Going to give it a minute after I get done reading. Here we go. Alright, so we got Connor S, Broncos, Packers, Edward K, Bears, Patriots, Jacob C, Bucks, Jags, Jeremy S Z, Cowboys, Saints, Matthew S, Panthers, Falcons, Michael G, Seahawks, Vikings, Ravens, Niners, Michael P, Raiders, Dolphins, Chiefs, Lions, Nicholas K, Colts, Giants, Paul O, Eagles, Texans, Russell S, Steelers, Bengals, Cheryl K, Rams, Jets, and Tina M, Titans, Bills, Browns, Chargers, football team, and Cardinals. What's going on, Cheryl? Oh, 100%. You got to be safe, Carl. 100%. But you got to be safe. You got to, got to work your way around it. 100%. That's the way to do it, Carl. All right, looks like we don't got any trades, so we're going to get started. You got to commit to not committing. Exactly. The less everybody knows, the better. I think if they came in at the same time, Mike would just quit on spot. Empty box. Like he'd just leave. Alright, starting with pack 1. Good luck, everybody. You got Preston Williams, Matt Ryan, green Pulsar going to the Lions, Barry Sanders, Jake Fromm, base, Brahma has been looking to buy an Carlos Dunlap, Danny Amendola, Patrick Peterson, Brandon Ayuk base. That's probably about how it would go. Juju Smith-Schuster, Landon Collins, Deebo Samuel, and Jerry Jeudy. Nice couple of rookie receivers. CJ Uzomah, Ryan Tannehill, Calvin Ridley, Justin Jefferson. Nice one for the Vikings. How about this wide receiver mega here? Ayuk, Judy, and Jefferson, and back to back to back pack. So we got what coming up next? Henry Ruggs, Stephon Gilmore, Brian Burns, Silver, Albert O going to the Broncos, and Anthony Jennings. Not quite. Marquise Brown, Hunter Henry, Tom Brady base, first year Bucks, and Antonio Gandy Golden. Another receiver. Gardner Minshew. I can see it peeking out. 400 points. So that's going to be randomed off at the end. Derwin James Jr. and Raekwon Davis. Not a fan. DJ Chark Jr., Kenny Clark, Nick Chubb, Hype, and Jalen Hurts. Nice base. Going to the Eagles. I believe that's Paul O again. Laramie Tunsil. KJ Wright. Green Pulsar Deshaun Watson going to the Texans. Clyde Edwards-Helaire base. Josh Norman. Saquon Barkley. Go hard or go home, Ezekiel Elliott. And our last card, James Morgan base, going to the Jets. So we'll random those off at the end. We got Mega number 2 coming up first. Solid Mega to start. Speaking of points, though, did anybody pick up Prizm White Sparkle Packs the other day? The NBA White Sparkle Packs came out. Oh, come on. Alright, Mega number 2, Pack 1, Teddy Bruschi, Laurent Duvernay-Tardif, Fred Warner, Jalen Johnson going to the Bears. T.Y. Hilton, Michael Thomas, Brilliance, Patrick Mahomes, and A.J. Dillon. Miles Boykin, Allen Robinson, Trey Flowers, Antoine Winfield Jr. Josh Allen, Shaquille Barrett, green Pulsar Patrick Peterson to the Cardinals, J.K. Dobbins base. Marlon Humphrey, Emmitt Smith, Ronald Jones II, and Clavon Chasen. Josh Allen, Melvin Gordon, Josh Allen hype, Cam Akers base to the Rams. See some of those quarterbacks. Leonard Fournette, Miles Sanders, Kirk Cousins, Michael Pittman Jr. base. Devontae Parker, Cooper Kupp, silver Rashaan Evans going to the Titans. DJ Dallas base to the Seahawks. Deontay Johnson, Dante Fowler Jr., green Pulsar Marlon Humphrey to the Ravens, base Jared Pinky. All right, last pack. We got Ken Anderson, Raheem Mostert, and that's a solid one. Denzel Mims, green Pulsar auto going to the Jets. Nice hit for the Jets. I will definitely take that over some Combine uniform. He's going to have a solid year. Got a new QB. Nice hit for the Jets. And then a Bradley Anai base. I will definitely take that auto. All right, so now we got our points random. So we got 400. Top spot's going to take it. We only reroll Snake Eyes. Snake Eyes. Wow. And then a 2 and a 1. So we're rolling it 3 times. All right, so we're going to take the list, copy, throw it in there. Connor S down to Tina M. Connor S down to Tina M. Now we got 3 times. Top spot takes the points. 1, 2, third and final. Top spot takes it. Goes to Michael G. Three times. Mikey's taking it. All right, so that's going to close out our Prizm break. Congrats to all of our hitters. Thanks to everybody that hopped in. We'll get that uploaded later.